Hey guys, George Fuller Parks After Dark. Hey, we are here at the Contemporary and we are in their garden view rooms. It's a set of buildings outside behind the Contemporary, but guys, these are amazing rooms. We've chosen a 2-queen room, and as with all the Contemporary, they have been themed Incredibles. That would explain the character pillows on there and how the carpets are done that way and the paint there. The other thing they have here, between 2 queens who can sleep 4 people, what they also have is a seating area that has a couch bed in it. So then you can actually put 6 people in the space if you needed to. They have a small table to eat at, and they also have a little futon, little seating thing there underneath that table. So it does offer you a lot of seating. What's great also is they do have obviously the Keurig and the ice maker, but what they give you is they do give you a lot of your supplies. So that's great to be able to do Keurig. You get your morning coffee, which is outstanding. It does come with its own refrigerator, which is great. Be able to store things. So it's not a mini bar per se, but it's a refrigerator. And then in here, they continue with the theming, but it has basically almost like a mini dresser, so you have more place to store clothes. It's themed Incredibles, which is awesome. And they do come up with a steamer, which caught me, a hair dryer, and then they do have extra pillows and blankets. But it is really a great place to store. So they set the space up so really you can be in here for a period of time. The bathroom is definitely top notch. They have a shower, a rain shower, big rain shower, double sinks, and with all those Disney products, H2O products we love and all want more of. The mirror does have the monorail on it, which is great. And then they do have a toilet which is separate by a door, so that if somebody needs to use a lavatory, and then you still can get ready to go out. So this is it. Now we got a first floor garden view room here. And I'll show you what that means. That means you get that view. So guys, this is the view from our first floor garden view room. And yeah, that's the canal where the boats transfer people from the Magic Kingdom to the Wilderness Lodge, to the campground, to the Contemporary itself. So that canal connects Bay Lake with Contemporary. So that actually is the same canal that the Electrical Water Parade will go down tonight, and we'll watch you go down that canal, make that turn where that boat is, and go out and do the parade out for the people of the Contemporary. So that's a fantastic view. We are on the first floor. This is a great way for you to see the building. There's 3 stories. We're on the first floor, again, behind the Contemporary, which makes this a beautiful space. So guys, this is George Fuller Parks After Dark. Do me a favor, like this video, subscribe to our channel, just allow us to get it bigger. You guys have a fantastic day, and you take care.